Just a little information about those QS8-S connectors. They have anti-spark feature to prevent damage the connectors. And as you can see, the plus part is a little bit taller. So when you connect your opposite side, it will connect first on plus side. In this connector is a little resistor that you can pre-charge the caps from your controller to prevent the huge spark what damage the connectors. But you have to wait some seconds, 1, 2, 3. So when you connect, just put it there, 1, 2, 3, then you can connect. So no spark, nothing at all to damage the connectors. When you do it like any connector, just make this. It will spark anyway, because the internal resistor cannot pre-charge your caps from the controller fast enough. Maybe you damage also the resistor, but that's only a little information how to use them on your new battery.